Look at this infused oil. So it's been going since October. May will make it 6 months, but frick, I just smelt it. It's fresh rosemary, pine, rose, sunflower, orange, basil, peppermint, and sage. What's good? Oh yeah. It's been 4 months. Should I do it? Ah, darn it. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the phone down while I do this because I don't want to waste any. Coconut oil when like 4 months ago, so that is very infused, looks amazing, and it smells freaking bomb. So that's gonna be 30% of my recipe is infused oil. Nice. Ooh, a little bit of sunflower went in there. So this is all the herbs and stuff that were infused. You can see the sunflower, pine, orange peel. And this is rosemary. And then this is the rose, obviously. Love it. Interesting color. What? Wow, look at the color changing. Whoa, nice thick trace. Cooking up nice. Limited edition infused soap. It smells amazing. So these are the 2 different mixes I made. One is relaxing, calming, and soothing. Oh, don't want it on the lid. This is gonna be an amazing batch of... Oh, my hand's getting sore. I'm working it out. What you feel? Here's my raw African shea butter ready to be added at the end for super fat. And I'm actually going to add to this some nice and moisturizing and rich lather, some organic rice milk.
It's the one and only next tree. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death.
Okay, so now I'm going to add my rice milk, organic rice milk. Put that in. Okay, so first batch is going to go in here, our first loaf. Second one, so they each get a little bit of this, which is my infused oil from earlier. This one is going to be the... Okay, So I kept it on the side here. So this is a acai berry powder that I have on the side. I'm trying to create a pencil line here. So now I'm going to add the rest of the batter. See how that side still stayed on an angle? Alright, so here's the finished soap, and I just cut up, this is all the leftovers of the leftover herbs and spices from the infused oil. So all of that, I just chopped it up and put it on the top of the soap. So that one's going to the side, and I'm going to work on the second one. Here's my organic seaweed powder.
What would I do without your smile? Drawing in and kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm in your magical mystery ride.
So I'm going to do a pencil line on this soap as well. So this is the organic seaweed powder. So shaking it over the soap with the sifter will literally give it a pencil line look once it's done. Well, that's the idea, or that's what I'm hoping for anyways. And I learned seaweed powder has a very strong scent, but it's rich in vitamins and stuff that are only found in seaweed powder. Or sorry, there's vitamins and minerals found in seaweed that are not found in land plants. All right. And then this is the rest of my soap. Ninja girl. Okay, so I made 2 loaves with the infused oil that I had. The first one, so this one is marjoram, lemon, and eucalyptus. Excuse me. Okay, so I made 2 loaves with the infused oil that I had. The first one, so this one is marjoram, lemon, and eucalyptus. Excuse me. The leftover infused dried herbs and spices over top, you can see all over. And then for this one, it looks a lot different. This one is patchouli, lavender, bergamot, and then with organic seaweed powder. So this one will have completely different healing properties than this one, even though they were both made with the same infused oil. On the top of it, I put the herbs and flowers and spices, only that has organic acai berry powder sprinkled over top. That's where the purple hues and tinges coming from. So this one's a lot more calming, soothing, balancing, and relaxing. So as you can see, this also has the tomorrow when I cut it, you'll definitely see the difference. This one will be a lot more purple, and this one will be a lot more green, even though the same infused oil, both very different soaps, both very different. Here is the patchouli, lavender, bergamot, and geranium. And if you remember yesterday when I was trying to do when I did it on an angle, whoops, you can see how it's on an angle, and then the little tiny pencil line, straighten that out, and then that's the infused herbs and flowers and spices and stuff left over. It's still very wet, obviously, because it was just made last night, but this soap turned out amazing. I cut off it already, and I'm taking it for after my swim. And then the second one is this one, and it's crazy how different they are, right? Remember me saying how different they are, even though they're both made with this infused oil. So this one's the marjoram, lemon, and eucalyptus. And as you can see, the little tiny thin pencil line, and then this is the organic seaweed powder. So yeah, they turned out amazing. Love them both. This one is very earthy smelling because the organic seaweed powder has a very strong scent. So this one's going to have very different healing properties. How different this top looks compared to this one, hey? And then you can see the organic acai powder on top of that one. And then there's organic soap, organic seaweed, and then this is the acai berry, organic acai berry powder soap. They both smell amazing. Soap life.